Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera for all of us. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. I respect Mr. Wahyudin SPD MPD as the lecturer for this course. My name is Mo Febrian Ruslan with ID number A121211073. Will present my proposal entitled The Effectiveness of Using Gofish Game in Improving Students' Pronunciation Ability at Grade 7 of SMP Negeri 2 Palu. This research highlights the challenges often faced by junior high school teachers in improving students' pronunciation skills using conventional teaching methods. Traditional approaches are often not effective enough in helping students overcome difficulties in achieving proper pronunciation. Therefore, innovative solutions are needed, such as the implementation of Gofish Game as a teaching method. Gofish Game offers an interactive and fun approach that can help students actively engage in learning English pronunciation. By utilizing game elements, students can learn more effectively while improving their pronunciation skills in a natural and fun way. Thus, the use of Gofish Game has the potential to be an effective solution in improving students' pronunciation skills in junior high school. The reason why I chose grade 7 students at SMP Negeri 2 Palu because many junior high schools, including SMP Negeri 2 Palu, the students often encounter difficulties in achieving proper English pronunciation. In here, I took two related studies. The first one is the study by Dwi Astuti Wahyu Nur Hayati in 2015 with the title Improving Students' English Pronunciation Ability Through Gofish Game and Maze Game. The researcher stated that by conducting these games using interesting media and creating various interesting tasks and activities, the students' motivation in learning English and pronunciation ability can be increased. And the second study is the study by Nguyen Thi Huyen Trang in 2015 with the title Using Games to Improve Pronunciation of Second-Year Non-English Major Students at Hanoi University of Business and Technology. The researcher stated that the findings from this study are directly beneficial to other researchers who aim at enhancing the learner's English pronunciation as well as developing a suitable syllabus for pronunciation lessons at HUBT. I will use quasi-experimental as my research designs. In quasi-experimental designs, there are two main groups involved: the experimental class and the control class. The experimental class is the group of students who will receive the treatment or intervention to be tested. In this case, the use of Gofish Game to improve English pronunciation skills. Meanwhile, the control class was the group of students who didn't receive the treatment or intervention and continued to use conventional teaching method. In this study, the researcher acted as a practitioner who taught the students. The researcher gave these two groups the same materials and the same test, so the researcher could compare the final result to see how effective Gofish Game in improving students' pronunciation ability. The population of my research will be grade 7 student at SMP Negeri 2 Palu. There are three classes, namely A, B, and C. For the technique, I will use a purposive sampling technique. This technique allows the researcher to select the sample based on their interests and those who can give more information. And then after doing some observations, I took class B as the experimental group and the class C as the control group. because I think those classes can give me more information than other class. In my research, the independent variable is Go Fish Game, and the dependent variable are students' pronunciation ability. I will use a recorder and questionnaire as my instruments in this research. The recorder used as a pronunciation assessment tool consisting of recorded samples of student pronunciation of selected words, phrases, and sentences, and the questionnaire will be administered to gather feedback and students' perceptions of the effectiveness and enjoyment of the Go Fish game. There will be 4 methods that used in this research. The first one is pretest pronunciation assessment. Student will be asked to pronounce a set of words, phrases, and sentences before the intervention. And the second one is intervention. Pronunciation interaction using the Go Fish game will be conducted with the participants. And the third one is post-test pronunciation assessment. After the intervention, students will be asked to pronounce the same set of words, phrases, and sentences to assess any improvements in pronunciation. And the fourth one is questionnaire. Students will complete a questionnaire to provide feedback on their experiences with the Go Fish game. Quantitative data from the pronunciation assessments will be analyzed using descriptive and statistical analysis, such as mean scores, standard deviation, and the test, and to compare the pronunciation improvement between the experimental and control class. Qualitative data from the questionnaires will be analyzed thematically to identify common themes and patterns in students' perceptions of the Go Fish game. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.